On the left is a calculation of the gas rate, the amount that's consumed by any gas appliance. We need to do that on a regular basis. It's compulsory. If you can't do that perfectly 100%, get the app. We've got 6 how-to apps: gas rate, gas pipe, gas vent, wiring diagrams, heat loss and error codes. And on top of that, we've included 21 chapters on fault finding course. That's how to test components. And then 19 chapters on wiring controls and faults. We can't remember all the sequences and all the testing of all the components because we just can't do that. But the app can. It's with you 24/7. Finding a fault in wiring is extremely challenging. None of us can remember which wire goes where, but this app in colour will quickly show you what's gone wrong and how to fix it. Keep it with you. It's compulsory to measure the length of the gas pipe and the size of the gas pipe between the meter and all the appliances. It can be done on a calculator with a challenge. This app makes it easy to do. Most drawings are in black and white. All of ours are in colour, so it makes it very easy to wire up and do fault finding. From Baxi and a couple of other boiler manufacturers, we've got their drawings, which are simple to follow, and we've also got flowcharts for quick diagnostics. The heat loss calculator is designed for installers and DIY people. You can now calculate whether the radiator in the lounge is the correct size to reach a temperature of 22, and then we use the TRV or room stat to bring it down. Often it's not. So use this calculator for one room or for the whole house. Remember, the bathroom and the hall temperature requirement is 24. If a boiler is located in a cupboard, it may need ventilation. This app will tell you what size and where is necessary, but you must always contact the boiler manufacturer for guidance. We have to make sure that each gas appliance is burning exactly as the manufacturer stipulates. This app does that extremely well, but it's also used with the gas pipe sizing app to make sure that everything is as it should be and safety is number one. The Error Codes app has been an absolute success because we've downloaded from top 17 manufacturers all of their codes that are available and a few that aren't available. So you can stand in front of the appliance, see what the error code is, and if necessary, contact the manufacturer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. There's also links to our website, mrcombi.com, where you've got more information on our books and apps. Thanks very much and take care.